Hi guys, as you can see, I'm home today, but that doesn't mean you don't get to work. So I'm going to switch now to different screens so I can show you with the pen what is it that we're doing today. We're going to look at compound areas. We had a brief look at it last week, but I want to continue with this. So we're going to look at compound areas of shapes made with rectangles and triangles. So I'm going to do a bit of an explanation there, take notes, copy the examples down, and then you can get working. So see you later, bye. Okay guys, so the first thing is you need to be able to find the area of a triangle. Okay, and some of you might know. So in order to find the area of a triangle, we need to learn that the area is the base multiplied by the height divided by 2. Now, there's quite a few things to bear in mind here. So, when you've got a triangle, you need to make sure that the base, in this case 6, and the height, when we talk about the height, we always mean the perpendicular height. So we mean the perpendicular. What do I mean by perpendicular? I mean that the height needs to be at 90 degrees with the base. So in my case, if that was to say 4 centimeters, and that one there was to be, well, I'm going to make the numbers up. It's not going to make mathematical sense, but there you go. So that was 8 centimeters. What is my height? Is it 8 or is it 4? But we said the height has to be perpendicular, so it's going to be the 4. So the area of the triangle is going to be 6 times 4 divided by 2, which we know is 24 divided by 2, which would be 12 centimeters square, because its area, units are square, centimeters square. Now, the reason why the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, and that you need to know, is because any triangle that you can draw, so any triangle, comes from half a rectangle. So if I had that one there, I can actually make a rectangle, can I not? And we know the area of a rectangle is base times height. So the area of a triangle, just one triangle, is going to be half the area of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is base times height. So the area of one triangle will be base times height divided by 2. And that works every single time, no matter how you draw the triangle. Because say I draw my triangle in a different way. Say I draw it like this. Then I can complete the rectangle like that. Or say I draw my triangle like that, I can complete the rectangle by doing that sort of thing, isn't it? It doesn't matter how I draw it. Okay, so if they ask you to find the area of this triangle here, where is the height? Well, we said the height has to be perpendicular. So the perpendicular height is going to be, the height is going to be the perpendicular height there. So the base would be all of that, which is 10. The height might be 12. So the area of this triangle would be base 10 times height 12 divided by 2, which is 120 divided by 2, which is 60 centimeters square. Okay, excellent. And then, finally, you may end up with a compound shape. You may end up with a shape that looks like that, say. And they may ask you to find the area of that shape. Obviously, you need some measurements. So let's say this is 8. Let's say this is 6. And let's say all of that is 10. Well, first of all, it's a compound shape. Why is it a compound shape? because it's made up of two shapes, the rectangle and the triangle. So I can find the area of the rectangle first, and that's easy enough. We know the area of the rectangle. I can put a little r there to say it's the area of the rectangle. Is base times height, is 6 times 8, 48 centimeters square, or meter square, depending on the units. And the area of the triangle, so I can call it a T for triangle, is the base. Well, the base of the triangle is also 8, isn't it? Is that bit there. Is 8. And the height of the triangle, well, it's only this bit here. Well, that's going to be 4. And if you cannot see that, you may have to think about it carefully. So the area of the triangle is 8 base times height, which is 4. I don't know why I put h there. Divided by 2, which is 32. Divided by 2, which is 16 centimeters square. So the total area of the compound shape area is 48 plus 16, which is going to be 64 centimeters square. There you are. And that is how you find the area of a triangle and the area of compound shapes. Take notes, copy the example down, and then get working. All the best. Bye.